In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to WeChat. So all you need to do is install the application into your mobile phone and then open it. You will see a page like this. So press on sign up. Sign up via mobile. Now you put your name, country, you put your phone number, and then you set a password. And now accept, and then accept and continue. Now you will be redirected to a privacy and policy page where you have to toggle I have read and agree ticket, and then click on next. Start. Now put your email. Okay. You need to verify your email. After verifying the email, now you will see this QR. You give it to anyone who already have a WeChat account, and he will scan it for you, and then you will sign up for WeChat. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.